evacuate.
Oh shit, I forgot about
Girl, yeah, that's why. They telling us to evacuate. It's an alert. It's a flood warning. We gotta go. This ain't. We about to die, y'all. If anybody see this video, it's our last days. These are our last days. Girl, I'm videotaping.
Where's my phone?
I got it.
I got her.
Y'all,
I forgot about the car.
You gotta know that's what she was running about.
Shit, the car.
These are our last days. My kids will love you. I love you. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They just sent us a motherfucking text to our phone saying flash flood warning.
Y'all need to stop.
Please stay away from this area.
I didn't know what she was talking about.
Right? When the text comes, it started raining. Did some crazy shit, y'all. We got to go. Over and out. Roger that.
I'm gonna go see.
Roger that. I'm glad I had a drink tied in a cigarette.
Who is
I don't know.
In the cigarette.
But this some shit, y'all.
My phone.
We'll be back. We'll be back with y'all in a few hours. We gotta record our last minute shit. We gotta fuck that. We're gonna have a show.
Hey, wait a minute.
Hold on.
When they gonna find it? Don't you think the water goes?
Hey, we need to get away from this beach water. Come on. High level. We need to get to the 15th floor.
We need to stay away.
All right. Bye, y'all. We'll be back. We're gonna keep y'all updated. Shit, I ain't playing. My kids gonna see me.
No, but
Say what's up to Tyson and family.
I love you. I'm gonna tell you where the money at. But I gotta make sure that this is my last day before I tell you where the money at. You got a Gerber life insurance policy.
Come on, Loretta, what you got to say? What you got to say?
I'm gonna sit
You
right here.
good? You good? No, hell no.
Let's man up. Let's take this.
Man the fuck up. I don't swim like that, okay?
Let's sit right here and just
I say we're going to high. We got to get to the 15th floor.
Oh, God.
This some shit, my babies. Y'all know everything, God. I trained y'all well. All right? Y'all name on everything. Bye.